Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here in the Scoop studio and I'm joined by Michael Skinner from UStech. Mike, great to see you again.
Great to be here.
Another huge show,
Yeah.
Productronica. It seems to be on a bit of a upward surge again. There's a lot going on. What have you seen today?
Today we only made it through 3 halls, so it's I think it's 8 or 9. We'll find out. But it's so big. I mean, the last time we spoke was at Apex, which is one hall of this show. Yeah. So the mood of it is really positive. It sounds like there's all the capital equipment guys are meeting their biggest clients. There's a lot of movement in like Fuji and Panasonic and Yamaha. Those guys they're selling things off the floor. Now's their chance, and it's global now as well. And I heard a few people talking about this today. How here in Germany this show's so good because you get the clients from all over the world, and you sit down and you talk for an hour, and then you sell your machines around the world.
Yeah, I think that's one of the reasons for that is this biannual thing. So the fact that everybody can save up all their energy and come every 2 years, and you do get time with people. And we look at a show like Apex with, I don't know, 400 or 300 exhibitors and 3,000 or 4,000, and this is
easily over 1,000.
I think it's like 2,500 exhibitors,
okay.
And over the week we'll get like 50,000 plus visitors.
Okay.
So it's, there's a lot of stuff. It was where they chose to launch the Hermes standard today.
Yeah.
We've talked about standards before. The industry needs them. It needs to move forward. That seems like a positive move. And for me, that's a sign of collaboration in the industry. Everybody seems to be playing nicely at the moment.
Yeah, it's good because I think we've seen a couple early missteps with communication protocols, but this definitely the Hermes, the collaborative aspect, is very important because while all these people, you compete with each other, these people are all coming together. I think there's 28 big companies have signed up so far, and they vote. It's a democratic process to add an amendment, to the program, to the specs.
Yeah, and that makes sense. And what's interesting is it seems to sit very well at a different level with CFX from IPC. So everybody seems to be happy there. The associations seem to be happy. From what I've gathered, the contract manufacturers, the people that are actually going to be using it on a day-to-day basis seem to be happy. That's just part of this whole big data picture. We're hearing terms coming into our vocabulary that weren't there 2 years ago now, like digital twin, artificial intelligence on the factory floor, augmented reality. Are you hearing people talk about that round?
Yeah, absolutely. I think one of the biggest parts is now as information gets more standardized and you can pass it between machines, it's now being analyzed in a way that it's useful. So you can take all the process statistics over days, months, years now that people have been gathering data, and now they're putting it to work. The buzzword right now is actionable data. Yeah, but it's happening.
Yeah, and I think that's really important. So you managed to get through 3 halls today, which actually I'm really impressed with because I have not been out of this one. I've barely been off the booth. I guess a few more tomorrow, and let's meet again this time tomorrow and see what's new tomorrow.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.